What's going on, everybody? Welcome to Always Occupied Home and Product Reviews. And in this review, we are going to go ahead and give this Roundup a second chance. Yes, you've seen this. It did lose in the brand versus against the Weed Stop, but we never give up on our products. We always double back. If you haven't subscribed to my channel for some time now, you know that I always do a I was wrong or I do a second chance video, so I always give products another chance. So with this Roundup, we are going to spray the front yard. I don't know what happened. The Roundup literally didn't do anything. Alright, you guys, so after the 2 days or 3 days or however long I take, we are going to see if this Roundup is still appealing to some folks out there. The Roundup for lawn, you guys, for the lawn. Alright, other than that, let me go ahead and spray the lawn, and then I'll catch back up with y'all in another couple of days. Alright, you guys, I got y'all in POV mode. Make sure you have your proper PPE as always, so don't mind me, okay? Proper PPE. Alright, you guys, so the weed has died. All that weed is gone. I'm about to rip all that up. This is my trouble area, you guys. This is my trouble area. Alright, everyone, so it has been about 2, 3, maybe 4 days later, and I want to say the results are phenomenal. The weeds have actually died, and I don't know what happened when we went through the brand versus. I kind of want to do another brand versus just to give it some just due on the battle. Yeah, so I did the same exact thing, you guys. I didn't change anything. I sprayed. I don't know. It didn't work when it came to the Weed Stop though. I did use all of it. All of the Roundup is absolutely gone. So bottle is empty, and yeah, so the results are phenomenal. You don't have to have no worries. We did double back just in case for the, you know, the strong core fans out there who probably will be mad when I drop the brand versus, or whoever's mad when I drop a brand versus and their brand don't succeed in the versus. They will get mad. Trust me, they do get mad. So I did double back on this product, and it worked very well. So hopefully next year we will test it out again. But I am going to get 2 different products to do another brand versus. I test out stuff. I take risk on this channel. It is what it is. I take risks with my car. I take risks with my lawn. I take risks with my house, just to see if something will work. So that's why y'all subscribe to this channel, so I'll take the risk and you won't. Alright, other than that, that will be it. If this is your favorite brand, it did do a good job, you guys. Salute to y'all, and I will catch y'all in the next brand versus. Let me know what's y'all favorite weed killer or lawn weed killer, grass and weed killer. I will go ahead and purchase it. I will put it in the battle against another weed killer, and then we're just gonna have fun, you guys. We're having fun on the channel. That's all I can say. We're having fun. Anyways, links will be in the description below to this weed killer and the other ones that I reviewed. And that should be all. I will catch y'all in the next product review. Like, comment, share, and subscribe.